Today, we're gonna take your ordinary chicken thigh meat and turn it into this moist, delicious, super tender, soy sauce drenched chicken. And we're gonna make this wet and so moist rice using the soy sauce seasoning from our chicken. Together, just shut the front door. Yes, that good. 오늘의 레시피, 정말 맛있는 간장치킨 덮밥 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. The full ingredient list as well as the product links will be available in the description box below. For our soy sauce chicken recipe today, we need about 1.2 kilograms, 2.5 pounds about, of chicken thigh meat. Using bone-in chicken thigh meat will ensure that your chicken comes out extra tender and juicy. After you gently rinse the chicken in cold water, what I need you to do next is make sure to use a paper towel and blot dry your chicken like so. Then we're gonna lightly season with some salt, then with some garlic powder, then some black pepper. Then turn everything over and repeat the seasoning on the skin side as well. We're gonna let the chicken hang out for 10 minutes to bring it to room temperature. And now let's quickly go over the rest of our ingredients. For when we braise our chicken, we need 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of minced onions, and 3 shiitake mushrooms, 표고버섯 in Korean, 1 tablespoon of mirim, cooking wine. If you can't have alcohol, just skip it. And we need half a teaspoon of DoenJang. And DoenJang is soybean paste that's fermented. It just adds a nice umami boost flavor to your broth. But if you don't have it, okay, you could skip it too. For our soy sauce seasoning sauce, we need 4 tablespoons of all-purpose Korean soy sauce. 양조간장, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. So we need about 1/4 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. I recommend using a microplane and just mix this up. And of course, you could always make this a couple of days in advance and just store it in the fridge. And to make this delicious wet rice with our soy sauce seasoning sauce, we need the following ingredients. 1/4 cup of minced carrots, 1/4 cup of minced onions, 1 cup of chopped up cabbage, 6 cups of cooked Korean rice. But if you don't want to make Korean rice, you could use these microwavable Korean rice instead. But making Korean rice is really simple. And I have a recipe on how to make Korean rice using your stovetop. And you could even use Calrose medium grain rice to make delicious Korean rice at home. So do not use basmati or jasmine rice. Now these ingredients are optional. To add that extra yummy taste, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter, half a teaspoon of 소고기 다시다. This is beef bouillon powder. And for that little spicy taste in the background, we're gonna add some 고춧가루. This is Korean red pepper flakes, 2 scallions, finely minced. Set your heat to high and preheat your non-stick frying pan for 1 to 2 minutes. Once your frying pan is preheated, we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Then we're gonna place our chicken down, but with the skin side facing down first. Now, if your frying pan does not make the sizzling sound when the chicken hits the frying pan, that means you didn't preheat your frying pan long enough. Move the pan around to redistribute the oil around the pan like so. Then we're gonna cover with our aluminum foil, and with the heat remaining high, we're gonna come back in a few minutes or until the chicken skin has turned nice and golden brown. All right, so it's been about 2 minutes on high heat, and let's take a look. Oh yeah, this is the color that we want, golden brown to our chicken skin. Flip everything over. Then cover it with the foil, and I want you to now lower the heat to like medium high now, and we're gonna come back in about 2-3 minutes until the other side is nice and golden brown as well. All right, so it's been about less than 2 minutes, and let's take a look. Oh yeah, like that. So pretty, golden brown, like that. So we're gonna put these guys on a plate for now. We're gonna turn off our heat for now. Then we're just gonna pour out the excess oil to our bowl. All this brown stuff on the bottom of the pan, ooh, that's gonna make our chicken taste extra yummy. We're gonna turn the heat back up to high. Then we're gonna add 2 cups of hot water. 1. Then I just want you to scrape the bottom of the pan like that. Then we're gonna add our mirim, our DoenJang, and our mushroom, onions, and garlic. Mix everything around. Then we're gonna add the chicken back into our pan. So I'm gonna have the skin side up. Then we're gonna cover with our foil. Then we're gonna lower our heat to medium and let this simmer with the foil covered like that for 10 minutes. All right, so it's been 10 minutes, and let's take a look. Look at that. Oh, it smells so good in my kitchen already. So now we're gonna take our soy sauce seasoning sauce that we made, and we're just gonna pour it. Make sure to get everything out of the bowl. Then we're gonna raise our heat to high now, and we're gonna basically let the sauce kind of get thick and delicious and sticky and gooey. So we're gonna let this go for about 3 to 4 minutes on high heat, like that, uncovered. Look how delicious this looks already. We're gonna let this go on high heat and let the liquid reduce to about half. All right, so it's been about 3 minutes on high heat, and we're gonna lower our heat to medium now. Did you know that you could buy Korean ingredients for today's recipe at Amazon? So go to amazon.com/shop/modernpepper, and I will see you there so we can shop together. Then quickly, we're gonna take our chicken, we're gonna give it a little dipping in the sauce, and then put it on our plate. Look how much the sauce reduced, and that looks delicious. So quickly, we're gonna add our vegetables, cabbage, onions, and carrots. Then our sogogi dashita, then our gochugaru. So I'm gonna add 1-2 pinches. You could add as little or as much as you want. Then I want you to quickly just mix this up, kind of make room in the center like that. Then quickly add all of our rice right in the center. Literally at this point, you're not frying it really. You're just mixing it up with our seasoning sauce. So you could use cold rice, warm rice, it doesn't matter. You just need to use Korean rice, that's what matters. Then just mix everything up. Now once you mix up all the rice like this, then what we're gonna do is add our butter and our scallions around. And as soon as the butter melts, and you mix it all up, it's done. So you wanna do all this pretty quickly on medium heat. Ooh, smells so good. All right, so let's have a quick taste test. Oh, it smells so good. The saltiness is perfect for me, but if you like it saltier, add more salt at this point. The sweetness is very subtle, but if you like it less sweet, then add less sugar to the seasoning sauce. And the spicy taste is very, very subtle, but it's there, which I love. Ooh, this is really good. Then kind of spread out the rice like so. Then we're gonna take our delicious soy sauce chicken and put it back on. Ooh, look at that glaze. Oh, you know it's gonna be so moist and so yummy. Right in the center. And this yummy goodness, ooh, no, you don't want to throw it away. You want to pour it back on your chicken. Then that mushroom, your favorite person gets that mushroom. And this is done, folks. Now this is optional, but I'm gonna just garnish with a little bit of sesame seeds. So less is always more when it comes to sesame seeds, folks. Like that. And voila, we have it. This is ready to be served. All right, it's time to eat. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. If that doesn't look good, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. Ooh. Look at that. Yeah, I'm just gonna add a little more rice to my plate. Or a lot of rice to my plate. Oh, I'm just gulping in my mouth. Sorry. Oh, it smells so good. All right, let's have our first bite with everything on it. Bon appetit. A spoonful of the rice that is so moist, so well seasoned. You know what took it to a next level was the mushroom. The mushroom is drenched in that delicious soy sauce seasoning that we made. Oh, I don't know, speechless. Look how moist our chicken looks. And our delicious chicken skin that's like completely drenched in the delicious soy sauce seasoning that we made. Oh yeah, you're welcome. I would feed you if I could. The chicken is so tender and so moist, and it's so flavorful because of the soy sauce seasoning sauce. And then the chicken skin, which I'm not a huge fan of chicken skin, but on this, it's delicious. It's drenched in our delicious soy sauce seasoning sauce, like so good. Now I must demonstrate to you with how delicious this combination is. This chicken with the rice together. I know, I'm being silly. Like I said earlier, shut the front door. Oh, that's how delicious this combination is. Just completely so delicious. And of course, you always have to have some kimchi with everything you eat. So this is our ultimate bite. Oh, that's a mouthful, but you'll be so happy. So make it at home and enjoy, everyone. Wait. If you want to check out more Korean style chicken recipes, make sure to go to youtube.com/modernpepper, click on the playlist tab and select Korean barbecue recipe playlist, and I will see you there. I want to thank you for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, I want to kindly ask you to click on that thumbs up icon and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and perhaps share today's recipe with your friends and family. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 눌러주세요. 다음 영상에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. 감사합니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of the videos you see right here.